Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from the Pipbox. So if you want to see what's inside in this month, the Pipbox, just keep on watching. Start lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you already subscribed lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So it's been a while since I filmed, and I really missed doing videos, but I've been busy at the moment with work, with everything. So yes, so I'm really excited to unbox this month the Pip box. So this is the box that it came, just a plain brown box, and then inside, when you open it, we have the leaflet, and it says the Spring Essentials Edit 2021, and inside we have all the products with the description and the price. And then we have at the back, top tips to detox your beauty regime. It says in here everything. And next month theme is healing and wellness, and the dispatching is from on the 9th of May. Also, it says, welcome to your April Pip box. Prep your skin with our Spring Essential Edit. We've handpicked 5 beauty treats designed to make your skin glow. From enzyme exfoliators to liqueur sleep oil, this edit contains the perfect selection of skincare treats to help prep your skin and hair for the upcoming summer month. So yes, and the total value for this month is more than 62 pounds. And if you're new to the Pipbox, the Pipbox is a beauty cruelty-free subscription box. It cost, I always forget the prices. I'm really sorry, lovelies. I'm really, with the memory of the prices, I don't remember. But I think it's 20 pounds a month, including the shipping fee. But if I'm wrong, I'm really sorry. I will pop here the price, and all the info as always will be in the description box below. Every month you will receive 5 beauty items, from skincare to makeup. All these products are cruelty free, which is thumbs up. So yes, let's see what's inside. So we have all this shredded paper now. So the first one we have here, and I tried this one before because I received it in one of my advent calendar last year, and this is from Q&A Liqueur Sleep Oil. So this is the product, and I'm pretty sure this is a full size. And this one, it says Q&A skincare checklist. How does it help? Plumping, elasticity, collagen boosting, skin firmness, and hydration. And this one is for all skin type, it says in here. And then inside we have, inside we have this one here. It has 15 ml, so this is a full size. And yes, lovelies, this is really a nice lip balm, very hydrating one. So I really enjoyed using this one. It says this one is the retail price is £6.50, and it says a lip oil that does more than just moisturize. Q&A Liqueur Lip Oil has natural plumping properties to make lips appear fuller and boost moisturizing level. It's 100% natural too. So yes, I didn't see any plumping, but I didn't even notice. But yeah, this is really a good product. And then the next one we have in here, and this is from Polar, one of my favorite brand, and this is the Micellar water with Artic cotton, and this is fragrance free. I tried few products from Polar, the night cream, few items, and I really enjoyed using it. So I'm really curious to try the Micellar water. I never tried it. So yes, and this one has 50 ml. I know this is just a travel size. Yes, and it's retail for £6.50, and it says discover this new formula of Artic cotton micellar water in travel size, fragrance free. For optimal tolerance, it removes makeup from the face, eyes, and lips in a single step. Its Artic cotton extract allows a perfect cleansing and an optimal tolerance. Yes, this is the second item. And then the third product we have in here. Oh, this is a full-size product, lovelies. From Monoskin, the exfoliating enzyme, papaya enzyme. I know we received this one before in other subscription boxes. And this one has 50 ml. This is a full size. And this one, it's retail for £30. And to be honest, lovely, I didn't try yet this product from Monoskin one. I have it here, but I didn't try it yet. I need to try it. And it says this exfoliating enzyme is the perfect alternative to scrub for a deep through exfoliation. The papaya fruit enzyme sets in motion a specific and critical skincare reaction. It unglues the bonds between dead skin cells, which causes dead skin to exfoliate and slough off. This clever and gentle chemical process does this without disrupting your skin pH, so make it perfect for sensitive skin, tightening the pores and reviving the skin texture, leaving to complexion that is both dewy and glowy. I need to try this one, so yeah. And then we have another full-size product, and this is from Foamy. And yeah, this is the conditioner bar. I have the shampoo bar, I think, so perfect. We have the conditioner bar. So this one is retail for £6.99. Let's see inside. Oh, it smells like coconut. But I discovered, lovelies, because I've been using hair mask with coconut in it, and I discovered that my hair loves it, the coconut, because after I use it, my hair feels really soft. So I need to try more the coconut, because lovelies, the coconut, I love the fruit, I love eating it, but I don't really like the smell. I don't know why, but yeah. Yes, this one, it smells a lot of coconut, but if my hair loves it, I need to try more. But yeah, it smells like coconut, and it looks like this. And this one, it says, yeah, it smells like coconut. Meet your tropical escape with our Shake Your Coconut Conditioner, but with wet protein and coconut for strong, supple hair and additional shine. Your hair will be left with the exotic scent of coconut all day long. Thanks to this cold-pressed formulation, best used with the Shake Your Coconut Shampoo Bar for the ultimate tropical dream. So yes, it's retail for £6.99. And then the last product we have in here, and this is from Dominic Paul, and it's a custom highlighter, and it's a cruelty-free, it's vegan friendly, and made in England. It has 3 grams inside. So it looks like this lovely inside, and let's watch it. This one, it reminds me of the oh, I don't know even if you can see it, lovelies, but it's in here. And this one, it looks like the from the balm, the I don't remember the name, I will pop in here, but it looks like that. It maybe it's the dupe of that one, but yeah, it reminds me of that highlighter, because it's like a goldy highlighter, but it's very subtle. You can build up this this highlighter. Really gorgeous. Wow. So this one, lovelies, in the shade Lantern. So this is in the shade Lantern. It says, introducing the highlighter singles. They are blendable, pigmented, and have a creamy texture. Each highlighter is individually packed, so you can pop it in your makeup bag or add it into your DIY palette. And this one is retail for £13. Quite expensive. So yes, this is the last product. So yes, let's do a recap. So we have the custom highlighter from Dominic Paul. I never heard from this brand before, but yeah, I will try it. And then we have the foamy conditioner with coconut. As I said, if you never tried coconut products on your hair, I highly recommend it because on my hair, they love it. It makes my hair really soft and shiny too. So yeah. And then we have the full size product of from Monoskin one, the exfoliating one. I have this product before and I never tried it, so I need to try it. And then another full size product from Q&A, the ENQUIRIES lip oil, another product that I really enjoyed using, so really happy that we have in here. And then we had the Polar one of another brand that I really enjoyed using. I tried few products from this brand before and I love it, so can't wait to try this one. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. As you can see, that's all for this month, the Pip box. What I think of this month box, I think it's really worth the money for me. Definitely I will use every single product from this from the products that I received. This is the third box that I received from the Pip box, and the products that I received from them, I really enjoyed using them. Plus also, lovelies, that all these products are cruelty free, so big thumbs up. So yes, that's all, lovelies. And you, lovelies, what do you think of this month, the Pip box? Let me know in the comment down below. Are you waiting for this box too, or did you receive already this box too? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.